This month at our dealership, we decided to bring every one of our favorite incentives we had throughout 2020 into one big celebration jam-packed with rebates, bonuses, and finance and lease offers that will provide all the reasons you need to get into the new GM model you've been thinking about. We call it the Fall into Savings event because you're literally going to fall on your back when you hear about the promotions and savings we have on your favorite models. I'm not kidding. It's a full cornucopia of all the great promotions you came to love throughout the years. Let me give you a few examples. If low interest rates for as long as possible is what's essential to your decision, you'll be happy to learn that we have finance rates as low as 0% for as long as 84 months on approved credit. Think about it. That's no interest for 7 years. In addition, eligible Costco members receive Costco member pricing plus a $500 Costco shop card. Talk about having your cake and eating it too. Well, isn't that the point if you have a cake and also to eat it? Now, if you prefer a steep cash deal over advantageous financing options, don't worry. We got you covered. Oh, and eligible Costco members also receive Costco member pricing plus a $500 Costco shop card. And if getting a great overall deal is the top of your priority list, you'll be excited to enjoy up to thousands of dollars in total value on some of our popular models. But if you're like me and would like to get a fantastic deal and still have the option to combine it to our 0% financing offer, no problem. You can enjoy up to $5,750 in total value on some of our models, plus finance these on approved credit at 0% for up to 72 months. We even have low biweekly lease payments and attractive rates if that's what you prefer. I told you this was a full smorgasbord. If you're currently driving a vehicle, don't worry. We want to buy it from you, even if you're still making payments on it. The whole health crisis has made it challenging to maintain our used car inventory levels. So we would love to offer you the maximum amount of money possible for your current vehicle. This would help us and could put you in the best possible situation to take advantage of the Fall into Savings event and get behind the wheel of the GM model of your dreams. What are you waiting for? Click the link, grab your Fall into Savings voucher, and let us make you an offer now for your current vehicle. I can't think of a better way to finish 2020 on a great note.